Lion's Den, powered by KCB Bank. In Season 1 and 2, thousands of Kenyans took the bold and brave step to apply to appear on Lion's Den. There, they faced grueling questions from the Lions on their business ideas, valuations, and projections. Tonight, we look back to find out how one of the teams is faring. In Season 1, Simon Washira went into the den with an industrial solution that would provide Kenyans with world-class products locally.
I unveil to you Innovate. Innovate is a solution which brings in machinery as well as expert support. In this business, we have come up with two different machines. One is ProCut, that is for people doing sheet metal. The ProCover, people who are going to make things out of wood. Now, how does our business operate? We provide the machines and install for you. We train your staff for 2 months, it's free. So that means we waive you all the cost you undergo through experts, design, and all that. I felt great, and I felt a lot of pressure at the same time, because I needed to learn very quickly how to prepare all my things, to put my things in a short way, to be able to convince someone that he can do business with me and he can put in some investment.
The machine is made in Kenya?
Yes.
What are your revenues to date?
My revenues are about 8 million.
Give me a breakdown. Is that from selling machine, consulting? Is consulting, what are you consulting on?
For machines alone, especially the two of them. I felt like I was not prepared enough, because when people are asking figures, they're asking a bit more definite. They need more definite answers.
What does 2017 look like in terms of top-line projections on revenues?
For the next 1 year, I'm looking at about 69 million in terms of revenue.
69?
69. First of all, it felt a bit in a corner, because then while I knew what I do is real and it's something good. So convincing someone who is in doubt and wants to know figures, they're analyzing all my figures I thought in a way I didn't quite was comfortable with.
The world is opening up, and I'm struggling to see this really scaling with all the options at the moment. I would love to see in the future what you have developed. But at this stage, I've got to say, with all the dynamics, I'm out.
I don't think at this stage of your business you need to be selling shares. So I'm out, and to say I'm out.
Myself, I'm not really motivated in that space. And I like doing things that I have a good passion in. So for that reason, I'm out.
I'm out.
Without having his numbers to hand, Simon walked away without an investment.
Based on the experience of the Lions Den, and based on the conversations we had before and after the pitch, that made me start thinking about structure a lot. Structure, the way I do things, and then get out there and advertise and start thinking about serious business, not engineering.
With the newfound business strategy, Protech have successfully entered the market, capturing clients from major sectors, including motor vehicle, advertising, and metal manufacturing.
We actually looked into different options, but we thought, because of the backup service and all that stuff, is why we'd wanted to go for the local aspect of things.
That's explained on the Lion Den. It seems that I had more money on the services than on the machines. And most people wanted to invest in both. They say they don't want to invest in the machines alone and leave the services. So I worked very hard to do more services.
It's doing about 12 to 15 tons every month of cutting, daily running up and down. Quick weekly cleanup, normally on the slides and all, but hasn't lost its accuracy at all, because some of the components that we manufacture actually fit into other components. So hasn't lost its accuracy in 3 years, cutting up to thicknesses of 16 millimeter and all that. So no, it's working very well.
Being Lion Den changed a lot for us. In a nutshell, we are able to think better and focus on the business and the customer thinking, rather than focus on explaining what our technology do, is giving people value.
Lion's Den, powered by KCB Bank.